Welcome to Alpha Future. I'm Alex Alpha. If even Google is running out of computing power, you should probably sit up and pay attention. Today we're unpacking why the AI race is really an infrastructure war, and who's about to collect the toll. Here's the headline. If Google itself is short on compute, AI is no longer a chatbot story. It has become a global scramble for electricity, for chips, for data centers, and for the engineers who can build them. The real problem was never a lack of demand. The real problem is that demand is exploding so fast that supply simply can't keep up. The world wants more AI than the hardware can deliver. Reportedly, Google got so tight on compute that it limited how much of its Gemini model Meta could actually use. And Meta is not a small customer. If a client that big can end up queuing for capacity, something has changed. That's the signal. AI has moved from let's play with it to companies are really running it. When the biggest tech names start rationing access, you know the enterprise era has arrived. Think of a large model as a superbrain. To actually run, it has to be fed. Chips, power, servers, energy. Strip any one of those away, and the brain goes dark. And the scale is staggering. The IEA projects that by 2030, global data center electricity demand could reach roughly 945 terawatt-hours. That's a country-sized appetite for power, growing every single year. So the AI competition is no longer about who has the best model. It's about who controls the infrastructure. Whoever holds the GPUs, the power, and the data centers gets to sell intelligence to the entire world. Markets already know this. Nasdaq, Japanese semiconductor materials, Korean memory, Taiwanese advanced manufacturing, China's ChiNext, they're all riding the profit wave of the AI build-out. The infrastructure cycle is being traded in real time. Here's what most people miss. The people who really make money aren't the ones telling the best AI stories. They're the ones standing next to the toll booths, compute, power, and data center toll booths. And your job sits on this chain too. People who use AI get dramatically more productive. People who don't risk getting compressed. The danger isn't that AI is too strong, it's that you still think it's just a chat box. Google's compute shortage is a tell. The next great wealth divide won't come from who hypes AI loudest. It'll come from who actually understood this compute war and positioned before the rest caught on. If you only watch which tech stock popped today, you'll just stay anxious. Understand the cycle, and you'll see exactly where the money is flowing. Like, subscribe, and next time I'll break down the AI iron triangle, software, hardware, and energy. I'll see you in the next signal from the future.